Toyota has unveiled its new premium hybrid SUV, the Crown Signia, which replaces the outgoing Venza. The Crown Signia boasts a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid setup, delivering an impressive 243 horsepower and achieving up to 38 miles per gallon combined. Standard all-wheel drive ensures that the Crown Signia can handle various driving conditions with ease. Pricing for the Crown Signia has now been released. The base model, Toyota Crown Signia XLE, is priced at $44,985, including the $1,395 destination fee. For those seeking additional features, the Crown Signia Limited is available for $49,385. Both models come equipped with the same hybrid, all-wheel drive setup. Buyers have the option to add the $1,865 advanced technology package on the limited trim, which includes a 360-degree overhead camera, traffic jam assist, lane change assist, and more. The exterior of the Crown Signia features 19-inch alloy wheels on the XLE model, while the limited model upgrades to 21-inch wheels. Customers can choose from two no-cost paint options, Storm Cloud and Black. For a premium look, additional paint options are available for $425, including Finish Line Red, Oxygen White, and Bronze Age. Inside, the Crown Signia offers a luxurious experience with leather-trimmed seats that come standard across all models. The seats are heated, ventilated, and offer 8-way power adjustability for both the driver and passenger. The standard leather-trimmed steering wheel is also heated. The Crown Signia is equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen featuring Toyota's latest infotainment system. The XLE model includes a 6-speaker audio system, while the limited model is upgraded with an 11-speaker premium JBL audio system. The Toyota Crown Signia represents a significant step forward in the hybrid SUV market, offering a blend of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. With its competitive pricing and impressive feature set, the Crown Signia is poised to attract a wide range of buyers looking for a premium hybrid SUV.